Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On our trip to Italy, we visited Colloseum in Rome. We started from Roma Tiburtina and the Colloseum. This is in Italy, in Rome. It's an Flavian amphitheater. It's the largest ancient amphitheater and one of the most famous landmarks of Rome. It was built in 72 to 80 AD by the emperors Vespasian and Titus of the Flavian dynasty. You can search that in internet. It's for public entertainment purpose, gladiator games, for example, fights, wild animal hunts, etc. were did. And the building is very old but maintained, and the capacity is 50,000 to 80,000 spectators can watch the fights, but I think it's not done now and it's only for the visit. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new seven wonders of the world since 2007. Thank you so much for watching.